There are essentially three different tiers. So Greg already touched on tier one, that's that rule-based algorithm. So that's, a fairly simplistic method where you're essentially doing queries in a database and applying assumptions. So using like the size of the line, some installation dates, and applying assumptions there. It doesn't really learn from itself or take much advantage of the field verifications unless you were to go and look at them yourselves and use all your brain power to do that. So let's rely on the computers, and that's what the tier 2 does. So this is more the automated version that's built into Leadcast. So as you get those field verifications in, the model runs in the background. It's not really something that's exciting to watch. It's just performing a bunch of calculations, a bunch of math, and then outputting a score. And then that score is mapped out to a category of high, medium, and low for lead versus not lead. And that's all like fairly well automated. That can be done on like a monthly or quarterly schedule, depending on how often you're performing your field work. If you're just getting one or two, a week, you probably want to go with more of a quarterly schedule to really get the benefits into the model. And then finally, the tier 3 offering is where we would get our data scientists involved, and they would do like additional EDA or exploratory data analysis, look at adding additional features or maybe even additional data sets. Like you can go out and purchase data sets from like Zillow or Trulia or some other companies that have very detailed information about the property that might not be available in some of those publicly available data sources. And that could get you your accuracy level sooner. So since you're able to add additional features into the model, you might be able to get or achieve a higher level of accuracy sooner in the process.